and move, pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze, pass and move, atina shikatina chinjari mwengroove.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV. This is a pass and move special. It's Highlanders Football Club taking on Simba Bora right here at Papa Field Stadium. This program is brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Machida.
Put us here,
Sweet put us.
How far about fair too?
Kona tinisizo se Islander. Sesibuyile mdala bese sicela ukuthi lapha sisuke sitshontshe imali zesithebo lapha. Sathi lapha sizobona abafana bethu bese fisa ukuthi lathi sizobona abafana bethu besenzela into enhle nje into abayenza ngale besenzele igudu.
All right, asikhulumeni ni Highlanders versus Simba Bora namuhla. Libona njani game namuhla?
Game namhla put us you need 3 can't. But Simba vele mele sinjani? Sibulale sibonile bathi lo yongumfana lapha kusuka ngaphi ku platinum mbena usuka kwe defender ukya asilanda bala ama defender lawana thina sifuna ingongongo sifuna umzambiyeni basifake emalini 2 goals 2-0 Chiramura siyababulala
Rasta uthi 2-0
mina 2-1 yiyo nale ngumbe 1-0 kodwa ngesifiso sami anti bengicela ukuthi ongumfana kwethu asiyali umongameli ngumfana kwethu akuthanda sicela ukuthi bekufake second half lapha nazama ukuthi sifake lo lwana number 37 thwambani lwana bhuti lwana ukhululwa
ngongongo
hayi lwana ukhuwe bezama ukuthi bemfake layo i-team ibe right sicela ukuthi ngothandwa ngeHighlander win straight win.
Nice one Machida. Asibona after Bora sibona
Good asiyami siyabonga.
Nice one Machida. My brother.
Hello, Ache, how are you? Lucky Pets. Scooping lapho mtana.
Inshallah, my brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Thanks so much.
Highlanders versus Simba Bora. Ibona njani namuhla?
Lamhla we just welcome back uLulu at home. He knows ukuthi vele uzohlangana labafana bakhe. Sizomfundisa one or two things. But it's always bossy team yabantu yakwazi lawo. It's just the team yabantu nje kuphela. Coming in to cheer the boys and see how they fare today.
The prediction.
Hey, I'm not good in that, but what I can simply say is my team will win, Boso for life.
Nice one, my brother. Spona after Boras what offer.
Thanks so much.
Nice one, my brother. My brother.
Justin.
Mnandi, my brother.
Yes, Coco.
Bonke mnandi. Machita. Highlanders versus Simba Bora. Libona njani game namuhla?
Game le namuhla kumele sithole 3 points. Kumele sithole 3 points. Kumele siwine ngoba ngani sile streak yokuwina. Yabona ngani indlela esiwina ngayo inhle kumele siwine.
Uvumelana naye my brother?
Yeah, win 2-0.
My brother uthi 2-0 wena uthini?
Mina mbonani maybe nginceke ngaba yi2-1.
2-1. Mbani ohlohlayo?
Yabona umbebe nga cross ibhola kuhle lapha nani. Sikhola kube mnandani. Unomoya kwanza ukuhlohla.
Unomoya. Esuke emuvezwa Chilete.
Yabe sebuyile ngoba ifree kick yabi ikhona eduzane.
Wena uhlala ungatholi lutho.
Don't talk. I don't talk, but I will talk. I don't talk, but I will talk. Yeah, all right, Mtaba. Yes, we came here namhlanje. It's a tough game. It's a tough match. But into amachithethu. I know man. Bazowina.
Ngayi.
Hayi. Abafake ezimbili.
Mbani umbonane ngafaka?
UAndrew. Umbebe umfanami.
Yafaka zonke.
Isho uzancediswa nguPrince.
Lo Prince. Uvumelana naye bra?
Hayi, angivumelani la. Mina ngisuspecta ukuthi uAndrew afakewa. uPrince ngafaka just because I love him man. Kodwa into esalayo ukuthi abafana batholi ichallenge. Abafana bafuna iChelete, we are losing our matches just because they are not training.
But i-Ireland winner kuhle ngatrainer.
We have support. After support, ukuthi batrainer kuba buhlungu game just because ngabekwazi abatrainer ngoba yabe babone wayisithi ukuthi abekho bakhona. But I'm not happy.
All right, asibona after Borucha awufaka.
Asibona after Bor.
Nice one my brother.
Nice one man. Penji phambi.
Nice one my brother.
Danko.
Clean bafo. Sweet.
So ukubona njani le indaba ye Lucky Bets ekuyona ibinikeza ama players after every game man of the match ilikhuthaza njani ama players?
I think it's helping the league, it's helping all the teams in the Premier League. Sabe sipusha sonke. Siyapusha kona ngoba sabe sikwazi ukuthi asikuthi ngiyabe ndlala ukuthi ngidlalela ukuba ngwin of the match, but ngizopusha nje ukuthi ngibe at my best.
Okay, siyabonga. So congratulations for the man of the match. Langamhlophe, keep on for your next game.
Ah, it's okay. Thank you very much.
Sharp.
Ndinati mngoma mbese.
Tinofana kugamuchira kuti 3 TV Pass and Move special. Highlanders 1 Simba Bora 1. Maona se mutambo wanasi.
Zvanasi zvazviri right, but Simba yanga ichifana wina 2-1 kuti dziri ribudirire maiziya.
Saka mamuchi yanga ichifana kuwina 2-1 but after the game mariona wose matambira chicha mungashora chicha kanganisi.
Aiwa apa hapana chandoshora nekuti iwo mandevere vanga nezvavakatigadzirira zvavo zvavajaira, but isusu tangouya tichivaratidza kuti hapana zvatinoda, tongoda kutamba mutambo sports.
Totenda. Saka Sila ndiyapiwa man of the match, munonzwa sei nezvozvo?
Pana Sila hapo bo indeed.
Supporter
Inini ndo support Dynamos, but I've come to watch football as a Zimbabwean citizen. I support soccer as it is. Both Simba and Highlanders, they are part of Zimbabwean football soccer teams.
So basically Dynamos won. How many goals did Dynamos won today?
Yes, 4-0.
And the new technical director, what do you say about that?
I can give credit to the new technical director and the entire Dynamos executive for what they did. Not saying good that I'm negative on whatever happened between the executive and the previous coach. We are on a rebuilding exercise.
Okay. So today here we witnessed Highlanders versus Simba Bora. Highlanders 1, Simba Bora 1. In general, what can you say about the match of today?
It's one of the best matches which I've ever witnessed at Baba Fields. The refereeing was up to standard. The linemen, both of them was up to standard. And both the players of Highlanders and the players of Simba Bora, they really showed us that Zimbabwean football is one of the best in terms of the Southern African region.
Okay, thank you so much. So you are giving credit to the referees. They always getting the spotlight over paid officiating. However, there is a lucky paid program which gives the man of the match, player of the match. Andrel Sila won the man of the match. What did you say about that?
Yes, he deserved to do that because he really played one of the most decisive midfield roles at Baba Fields here.
Njovini le team la ulothomba umfana ngochaka.
Umfana ngochaka.
Ile likuphethi.
Ante likuphethi siyakhuluma ngani nxa sesiboshiwe. Nxa singabotshwa aso cha ngochaka.
Alo chaka.
Oh.
Skipper.
Ansha.
Njovini Bora selipheli. Highlanders 1 Simba Bora 1. Uthini ngomdlalo wanamuhla?
Sibonge khona kokudlalwe ukuthi kube kuhle kwaba yi-1-1. Ngoba libhora. Sport always is very expect lose, win or draw. So kuhle siyabonga ku right. But even though mhlawumbe mina ngantokana sile 2-1 kumbe 3-1 kumbe 3-2. So ngamaphutha ethu ngoba 4-2 ngapha enkundleni sigcina sekuyi-1-1. Bekumele kube yi-3-1 kumbe 3-2. Kodwa siyabonga umdlalo udlale kuhle kwamnandi kanje. Kumnandi nje siyabonga.
Siyabonga mthana. Chaka uthini ngebhora namhla mfana?
Mina. Mina ngikhala kuphuza ukusubstitute lapha.
Oh. Kuphela.
Yeah.
Ore mana mbuya ngaba Boras. Mthana wami. Ulibone njani?
Hayi lo ni Bora vele mnandi. Yeah. I-substitution iphuzile kakhulu.
Arukifa ufake nge-60 kodwa.
If-60 kulomunye umuntu adimela amfake at 35 minutes bevela ngabona lutho. Umthumbi adimela amkhiphe in 35 minutes. At least approaches uPrince Ndlovu aduka bangcono.
Uvumela naye Boras?
Namtara ngikhathaza half time yokuqala leya. Ngangapha entshonalanga hayi. Anzange ngizwisise.
Ngafa Boras wena?
Mina mbo number 11 ngokungena kwakhe late. Kodwa usebenzise. Akakoranga kodwa 7-0 jersey number 11 Domba Mahachi yeah siyambonga uMahachi uzamile uyehlulekile kodwa uzamile yebo change awuzamile umfana zekhaya hayi siyabonga hayi ibhola linjalo sport sihlangene vele sport sihlanganisa imbumba senza sibe simbumba
asibonga nice one my brother
thank you very much
nice one thank you Mvulele my brother Samamoza
yami lokho engikwenzelwa ibhoso so into yokuthi sebesidlala kuhle sifuna ukuhlohla abanye sebehlohlilani ngiyayizonda nkabe yami yazi ukuthi kutshona silandile emuva akuvumi asikho ku World Cup uthi ama African teams aqalise wina i-team then 85 minutes ikwanisa ukuwina akula story esinjalo lapha se-PF abafana bafunda ukuhlohla simple and straightforward otherwise i1 point is better than nothing siphoza yami
neswaza baboza
afana oqala ngathi umadolo urefu engasabuye eBF waqala ekhwekhwe wabulalisa abantu kanti owes2 nanxa ungcaptain but mawekho ku form uyavunyelwa ukuthi ukhitshwe siyabonga amen
mafana
singabafana abancane bebhoso but ibhoso ngandlela yenza ngayo iya draw ibhoso idraw kakhulu ukudlula ama crayon but into urefu not ukhipha urefu into asenzela yona ayisiyo yabe lokho reverse ground madoda akho lokho ayisiyo cala igame ibe face
yasekwekwe futhi wa reverse futhi yabe lokho urefu
nice one mathuke ibhoso
so idlula udraw ukudlula ama crayon
mana ngizwa abadala mthala ngo umvulele ispace lapho bura siyam ubona njani
hayi bora kodwa lebedlala kakhulu but abafana bamele bahlohle ezi2-1 sikholise abafana bamele bahlohle kube 2-1 at least ibhoso hayi yathaba mntana
mana
ngiphiri bakithi
nice one phiri mana yenza ibura siyam la bura siyam
unjani mfowethu
seliphelile 1-1 ulibone njani
1-1 ibhola lidlewe kakhulu into engicelayo mina nti abafana bami badlale kakhulu ibhola nti angeke ngisole lutho lapho into engayisho nje kumphakathi webhoso ngithi ama supporters ebhoso ezilongu lifan lebhoso ngiyacela asithathana amakhadi sivoteni sikhethe iboard eyiyo sikhetheni iboard executive iboard eyiyo engaza isplathela ama better results abafana bethu badlala ibhola wena mdala kunguwe ungasebenza na ungaholi akuvumi angithi so abafana bethu badlala kakhulu madoda isecret ebasabafana aliyazi abafana babhadala irent banabantwana bayasupporta badinga ipay
mana ngizwe umvumelana nawe hayi ungadakelwa kithi wena manje manini amathu shulala
putas abafana bayachova asikuyali khononko abafana nti they must be committed i-team le mele bebe at heart because i-team le tinasayidlalela tinanti i-team le from ama-juniors and ungakhangela ama-juniors ethu tinasidlala kulabo Heri labo Joel Ngoso labo Tenzeli Khumalo labo Malazo asikuyalanga khona lokho abafana laba basafaka inhliziyo zabo eteamini anti sicela befake inhliziyo zabo eteamini besupport uBenji is a good coach uBenji wadlala ku national team uBenji wadlala eEngland uyayazi ibhora uBenji so uBenji nxa yazi ibhora sicela asupport abantu bengacriticize uBenji siyacela khona uBenji angacriticize siyacela khona lokho
nice one shoot
siyabona yazi i-team ndoda yabona i-team le ngutshela nti yabona i-team le yanti ayadlala bafo but kodwa yabona iqine emuva yabona emuva hayi abafana emuva siyabonga abafana abasebenza emuva nti hayi siyabonga yabona oshenje labana hayi siyabonga emuva
nice one upurasu ubonga i-defense mana nyakunene my brother
hayi nazibili ibhoso ngiyayibona ngendlela echangayo iyachaya ibhoso kodwa into ekhona madoda hayi ibhoso ayincediswe ngezimali nje wathwa njengakhona ukuthiwa ya emarentini lapha kunzima madoda umuntu
engabe sedlala engekho ngaphi engabe sedlala engekho eground sedlala ecangirent madoda hayi madoda abancediswe
nice one now uPutas abaplay encediswe lapho uthini wena
no uyabona mina uPutas ngendlela akhuluma khona angiyali ama players ancediswe and ubench is doing a good job he's doing a good job ngendlela yokuthi abafana ezilongo basemsebenzini indima yabo basemasimini abanikwe izimali and into esifuna kungabi ukuthi masidlala le Dimbare kuthiwa kulama tickets online the way esibhadala ngakhona masiyabe sithenga ama tickets maybe kubo Mozi noma kumbe kubo eKabhouse kumbe Highlanders offices it makes us thina as our supporters and eHighlander asingeke sesiyekelele the moment sibuya sibanengi utshengisa ukuthi vele thina eHighlander silayo bench is doing a good work and but abamsekele as njenge executive abamsekele ubench
nice one my brother my brother
how's it my brother
now umunye lapho uthi unguphakela umthakathi
ngingaphakela umthakathi mina ngumdli wabathakathi
right nathi Highlander phula phela thing Highlanders 1 Simba Bora 1 ubone njani
yasin iSimba Bora madoda honestly speaking the championship winning team in the recent years thina singawini la even ungakhayela abantu bakwa isiqoka ngogoliath esabesidlala lapho se good team unfortunately uthi namhla sesibele ku factory reset ngenxa yani iexecutive yethu abamhlophe bengadla imali zabantu dala vela ngale abayenzi kahle siyacela ngakunika imarathon samse gijima iconference marathon ungadlanga awusozaba lawo amandla ankulu siyacela ukuthi njengakhathesi sonke support abantu abasupport ibhosi baneka kanje sonke singaphonga ukwenza membership skip imali ngamaviki izomnye khuluma yebhakethu ethanda ngabona ibhakethu ebhosi
my brother
for tunjani
seliphelile 1-1
yeah I'm happy with the result the boys how they played badlale iBorebel vele deserve it draw azange bebe le ndlela yokufuqa ukuthi sifuna ukuhlohla yonke indlela bathi ukuthi besikhala ngemithi of which besikhangelela ukudefend of which i-team yethu akumelanga ihlala idefender we are coming from a win we shouldn't defend bekumele si-attack but anyway the result is fair it's very good 5 games 10 points
yeah
I'm happy
nice one my brother Pakania
yebo bot
awufa
hayi iteam idlalile yona second half uMahachi eqale ngayo le experience lomfana lo le experience and iteam kumele ibuild from behind siya keep uyana ama goals akudlala ibhola ntum hayi akusibhora kumele ibhola dlala ibhola parts sibuild from goalkeeper yi player kumele dlala goalkeeper wethu yabona sibuild ibhola sithiki goal kancane singajaki futhi akudingi very change lapha kumele sibuild ibhola kuhle kuphela
uvumelana naye Putas
awuvumelana navumelana la kuhle but I problem iyon why kumele sihlale sisebenzele iscore rate sihlale sibuye emuva kuphela ama players silawo abafana babuya imali ibukubuku imali bengabuya imali kuyaba mnandi khangela last game senzeni baqeda amentes bengatrain but badlale kuhle ngoba imali iphumile asibala ama bonus sibala imali kuyaba mnandi clean
my brother
alright Khatebe isikibani mtala
konke clean Highlanders 1 Simba 1 uyibone njani
I was so disappointed mtala namhlanje vele sibuye expect a clear win iSimba Bora has been struggling so namhlanje vele besithi singawina sesingena ku top 4 but well it's a game of football at least uBenjana ama subs akhe namhluzamile azama ukutshintsha complexion of the game but it wasn't enough so we just take the 1-1 draw samendlini se celebrate
yes one my brother yes GP
yebo mthala
awufa
hayi yonke into hlili ukubona mina suke khona le gwande ngabe khona futhi izobona abafowethu hayi mina ngithabele konkhana ukuthi yabona umongameli anti ukuthi bemngenise ngesecond ngikujabulele konkhana ukuthi umfana umncane but besazitshothini para senjani selaza 100% yabo kodwa mina bengicela nje ukuthi like i-community kophana bengani banjani bangikhuzela uMahashi kancane uMahashi ungena second angiyala anti second game but kodwa kufanele benjani ebe le discipline ukuthi ibhora uyabamba sibili nxa pass njani ezamela ukuthi ehlohle phela ngoba simkhalela ukuthi umuntu onjani ongahlohla nje umuntu onjani wadlela emazweni ngalibhora ayikho kunoko mthana.
That's why my brother Cooper
ashe usha
my brother
ayiswe still now hayi no hayi bhora sithabela alibeli sharp. It was a fair result but mina into engikhalisayo ukuthi kathi omhlophe why bangathathi imali le ekachivayo at least bethenga 1 or 2 strikers and
isakhona ukuthi
asazi inxasabayili but into engithabisayo ukuthi ubench as long as dependa nge2 strikers izamnceda ngoba lo cannot sign strike izingongongo eli1 akwenza at least nxa be2 hayi kuba ngcono but kathatha imali le kachivayo le ethenga ama player ayikho into yakhe house ithwani ijura hole club house ebese kholisa nama player lama izisebenza ke zenokhela hayi
Mask man.
How far my guy?
How far mask man? Khuluma nami.
Hayi. So ibhora somele sidlale ungangena umahathi kuphela. Ungangena umahathi kusho ukuthi we are playing good soccer phela. First half yonke badlala shit. They are just playing ukuthi angikwazi kuyini. But ungangena umahathi selithachwa. Selidlalwa kochi. So manje siya ngapi? Siya nje Highlander siya ngapi alright. Siya nga.
But you happy ngetro?
I'm not happy. Sidraw njani si home.
Ngiyathola mask man.
Hayi akuvumi sidraw njani si home. Sidraw njani si home.
Mana izibhuru nathi ninja. My brother. A long time. No point of view. Ulibone njani?
Yes. Kiwalami. Njengomne uta mask man. Bathathu tembo engiyimi. Ngoba I was saying ukuthi no. Today Benji was giving us a draw. Yeah, there's no win. That's why I come. I myself, just because I saw that Benji is not giving us a win. Because there's a players who bench as the Leopards. Cream tata is coming at benches. Give us that cream tata. You know that Mahachi, Mgongongo, and the Zambian one. That's a cream tata to us. But the Benji failed to do that. Benji failed.
Now my sister is the Puma. My sister.
Tina and Jaren doesn't. Why was just disappointed and why sing I win our home games? We say I win our just games, but why sing I win our home games? That's some stabulile. We want to have fun here. We want to have fun. I would like really want to have fun. Umanga siyamfuna Timinate, umanga umuntu wethu. Umanga samthethe angaziwo but siyamfuna kwayonjani.
That's why my sister. Mana izibhuru wakho. Nawe uyamfuna umonga nawe.
Hayi mina nje angimazi umonga. Yeah, sirasi mina.
Oh, injazulu ubuye emhlakathi. Uphakela umthakathi.
Uphakela umthakathi abahambe. Yeah, sirasi honestly not mina. Ngikhona bahambile athuba. Ngeke mfethu ngeke ngikhulume.
Khuluma bayisi.
Uphakela umphakathi abahambe and angiregret ukuhamba mina angiregret ukuhamba fethu mina ngihlale ngineminyaka eminingi segol mina angiregret.
That's all my sister. Siyakujabulela ukuthi uphe
hayi futhi mina ngizahamba futhi ikhona into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi mina ngisazobuyela eGoli.
My sister isazobuyela but asiyabusha.
Amnangisha bra. Zona phone. Ibhora lesibabo selimnandi. Anti ibhora limnandi ibhosi yadlala anti let's call a spade. Hayi usile udlalile. You deserve man of the match. Awudlalile umfana. Kaphenduka ekhaya.
Usile.
Awusile udlalile bra. Anti ibhosi idlalile. We are happy le team but udlalile. Anti ayasivumela anti they were very fair. Udlalile umfowethu.
Yeah happy retro.
Anti kukhona kokhona. But iplatinum alibatshela umbholo ukuthi hayi siyeza ukho ukuthi thiwa bayenza umsindo hayi boss yeza
That's all, my brother
ola batshele uluphahla next week uyabona kwenzakala namuhla next week siphezu kwakhe Isamchafo
but namhlanje lihlekile udlululu
ululu antu yacabanga ukuthi wathini esacoach boss
wathini
we what
wathini
what abathi babuyayo
angikwazi mfukuzo
wathini phela lena
wathini
umuru umuru abathi babuyayo but anabantu belenhlanhla nje kuphela it was just unfortunate nje umonga I think at bele 10 minutes simbone ukuthi is it worth ukuthi ahambe uCaps oyehlala ekhaya but mina personally umonga ahlala phansi engihamba kuCaps kasoze lidlala if is clever kahlala phansi
bura siyabuvumelana naye
pozalama angivumelani laye angiyalelani laye yanzwisisisa ngiconga la question ebuya ngomunye umuntu outside conga ithathi ngoyithathi yanzwisisa ndini
ngiyakuthi but i1-1 ibone njani
it was good
one thing
at the first time and so yimi and analysis yami at some point I was excited. At some point I was frustrated. What you like that have that freedom. Yeah, boy.
I remember me by you. Remember me, Shaburas. Remember me by you. I
was waiting about me. Mina unkodla mina mhlawumbe wamkhamba iMike yakho ifile samela. Right. Mina unkodla mina mhlawumbe ethwana mafuza lifulele. I'm sure ngabe uyafuthi eshweni yakho la. Mina okanamhlanje my brother. Bengathi ngiyakhala ngiyabengikhala but namhlanje ngikhale kakhulu but into engikhala ngayo mina indaba ze-team yethu emuva le endlini ngikhaya abafana bayithola imali yabo na imali zonke ngikhuluma ngemali ngikhuluma ngama-bonus ngikhuluma le-pay bayithola na ngabafana sebesiya kwama-team wayelibasola kade anti ama-greener pastures esakhula siwafunda from primary school so mina into ngisho my cousin ukuthi i-Highlanders i-team yethu vele thina siyafana nayo okukhona amongani ukuhamba kwakhe influence inner circle the outer circle inner circle ngibo umama wakhe lobabakhe labanaba kanti i-outer circle yithi thina njengabafana be-Highlanders siyasavunda ehambe but nxa kulomkwere phakathi ngeke dole utshona uzodlala lukhwelo la uJovicho so usivalo mbani kade usivalo play benefactor usivalo ngubenefactor ndo laka sponsor so into ngitsho yanti thina yazi my brother mina namhle ngaba ngu-chairman weboard mina namuhla mfaka umfana nami lo labanye bethu intsha namhlanje sivukile sibe ku ground si understand ukuthi abafana abatsha vele bafunana ndoda khona ke ngifuna lami yiko kufuna abafana laba
imali simple
imali baba but imali yakhona even ingabanlutshwana but ibuya at regular intervals ibuya kungela umuntu okhalayo ngayo ukuthi why sithethe 19 weeks ukuthi ibuye imali leyo so thina lesitsho bra iHighlanders sayithanda into sizondayo sofaka race ngeke ngithi executive ngeke ngithi board into esinganganywayo thina i-mismanagement of funds abadala abanandoda bali capacity yokulungisa indaba zemali lezi so thina kuthi nxa sikhangele ukuthi thina sidabala ndaba lakho lokho
ngiyakuzwa bura siyami
akunandaba ye-age lokho even mdala wena ukho
ukhulu wakho wena wayekwazi ukuthi ngilabantwana abayi6 ukhulele 8 years but ekwazi ukuthi ngiyabanika 10 nkomo ngezabo la manje bafuna lenkomo bafuna zonke zibe sesikhomeni zabo inkomo lezi wena ungumntwana kamdala lwana uzafela njani uyacinisa ingcono umdala efe mina ngibona zenza njani umdala engafa.
Nice one my brother.
Mdala lokho kunzima lokho mina abadala ambazonda abadala laba parents ndisenzo zawo bona abadala laba abafuni ukusilalela bengafuni usilalela kunjalo sebefuna usikhumbuza izikhalezana engafuni ukukhuluma ngazo. So anyways
nice one Mkhodlwayo
sinqaba
ngenkani
sinqaba bra
nice one Mkhodlwayo
asasonto abadala bani kumele beyazi
nice one Mthala
hello
sengivala Mthala wami
ivale ime ngivalayo
ivale Mthala wami
team idlala kuhle but the problem abafana baya relaxa first half sebedlala ibhola second half kurongo konkwa le fitness abafana labana they are not fitness laba bemele baqine
they are not fitness vele
asiyo island siyaziyo yabo Madinda labo Peter labana bebe fit bayancengana umuntu angakwanisa ibhola faka side so ungafaka ukuthi umntana akho angene ebholeni laphana thina sodwa sesisilwa but lina lisedla imali.
There you have it guys. Mana my brothers. There you have it guys, the fans reaction after stalemate. Highlanders 1, Simba Bora 1. It has been another exciting episode of a Pass and Move special right here at Dep 3 TV, proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Pets. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, ciao.
Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move. Atina shika tima chinjari mekru.